Hello friends! Today, we're going to fold a little iPhone. You can draw your own apps and tap them for fun. Let's place the paper with the screen color facing up. Now, fold it in half. Then fold each side into the middle like a door. Let's fold it one more time, right along the edge. And do the same on the other side. Let's take that tip and fold it over again and press firmly. Now fold that part again. And again, kind of like rolling it up, but we're folding. Now fold the corners in just like little triangles. Do the bottom corners too? Everything should line up with the middle. Now let's tuck the end in like this. Fold it, then fold again, and gently tuck it inside. There you go. Our iPhone is almost ready to use. I'm going to use some double-sided tape to hold it in place. But you can use glue or even skip the tape if you want. Now for the fun part. Let's draw our own applications. And just like that, your phone is ready to play. If you liked Folding with B today, don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. It really helps us make more fun videos like this.